Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. Welcome to today's video. Taking ground turmeric every day can have its health benefits. There's no doubt about that. Science is now to the point of has now confirmed once and twice and 3 times and 100 times how turmeric can actually be beneficial for your health if you know what to do with it or how you want to use it. Now, there are contraindications about turmeric that we're gonna get into that in just a minute, but most of the things that turmeric can do for your body are health benefits if you're not abusing of its consumption. So today we're gonna look at turmeric. What does ground turmeric do to your body every day? If you take it every day, what are its health benefits? And how can you benefit from something as cheap and as easy to find as a spice like turmeric that has been around for thousands of years? So don't forget to give this video a like button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget that we are live. If you have a question, if you have a doubt about something, maybe you want to leave your opinion, or maybe you know something that I don't know. That's fine. That's fine with me. We won't be able to get into everything, obviously, because there are many health benefits that are just not as well studied, but they do exist, and we might get into a few today. So like the video, and let's get started. First of all, back in the day, if Harvard would publish an article talking about turmeric and arthritis, oh God, probably some people would have gone to jail. Nowadays, it's impossible to keep a secret of how natural medicine can really improve your health, right? And when it comes with respect to turmeric, which has been around for thousands of years, nowadays everyone uses it and knows that turmeric might be beneficial for your arthritis, for your pain. Remember that taking a small amount over the course of maybe a month or 2 months or 3 months or a year can be actually very beneficial with and in comparison with something like, for example, maybe an anti-inflammatory or drug that might even damage your kidneys, your liver, and other organs. So first of all, what does Harvard say? Well, they are now talking about how people that take turmeric can actually see benefits and relieve arthritis symptoms at the same and similar degree to taking other medications like diclofenac, right? And this is something that we've known for a long time. It's obviously now that Harvard is losing people because they know that mass opinions today are more valued than sometimes a degree in science, because the mass of people are seeing that natural medicine does work. If you need something natural that might help your body have these benefits, look for Kirkyu Health from Fineland at FinelandVitamins.com. Kirkyu Health contains bioperin, an extract of a 95% curcuminoid extract. And this combination might even have the potential of boosting it 2,000-fold of what your normal ground turmeric can do for your body. So go ahead and check that out. Maybe you want something for your immunity like Raviola Gold or Guana Boost. Maybe you need something to help that immunity function with some really bad disease like cancer. Who knows? This might help your body stay healthy. All right. Number 2. Okay, let's get into it. Number 2, what does turmeric do? And this is a letter from one of its patients from the Mayo Clinic talking about how turmeric might be beneficial as a treatment used in breast cancer. Oh my God, you couldn't even mention cancer and food in the same sentence 30 years ago. Now we have, it's so overwhelming. The evidence is so overwhelming, it's just impossible to keep hidden, right? So this is talking about how there's this new article talking about turmeric for osteoarthritis and how this patient has been diagnosed with breast cancer, and again seeing these anti-inflammatory properties, metabolic regulating, antimicrobial, immune boosting properties of turmeric, and then anti-cancer effect. Well, demonstrate in many studies that it can stop the growth of certain types of breast cancer. And it's not me who's saying it. I'm reading something from Mayo Clinic, so do not shoot the messenger. Like the video. Let me see this question real quick, and we'll keep on going. If there are questions, I'd like to see them so that I can answer them. Prince of Town is asking, is it true that it can produce hair loss? Yes, it is. It is true. Now, why? Very important to understand why. Turmeric, and this is something that is not in any study, this is something that I've said many, many times, is that turmeric can have the potential of increasing cortisol levels in your body. And what is cortisol? Well, it's an anti-inflammatory. That's why you see sometimes that certain pains in your body go away. But taking turmeric over the long run increases cortisol every day, constantly, to the point where it debilitates your hair and might start falling off. It's not that turmeric is bad. It's just that some hormones that are increasing in your body will debilitate those parts of your hair, right? If you need something natural, maybe you need something for hair loss. Look for H's and factors from Vineland, or an ointment you can put on your hair and your scalp. Look for rosemary from Vineland at vinelandvitamins.com, or maybe even collagen. Why not collagen? Collagen from Vineland at vinelandvitamins.com. Like the video. Let me see this question real quick and we'll keep on going. Okay. Yamil is asking, how long can we take it? That's how Yamil is asking. Well, I'd say you can take it maybe 2 to 3 months and rest for a month. If you're going through something like arthritis, might not be a good idea to leave it or rest on it. If you lose a couple of hairs, you're not going to die off of it, right? It's not going to really take away a lot from you. Now, if you really are in pain with arthritis and you're deforming your joints, then that's something that might need more of an attention to, and might not be a good idea to stop taking it for that month that I'm talking about. Number 5, turmeric has a very good potential to improve or maybe help protect your renal disorder, or your kidneys for that matter, right? Nowadays, I've heard doctors say, oh, you have kidney disease. Oh, you can eat whatever you want. Don't worry about it. Oh my God. No, never, ever do that. Okay. If you have kidney disease, everything that you eat is going to end up in your kidneys. Everything in some way, shape, or form that will generate a metabolite that will go through your kidneys, and your kidneys are going to feel that effect. Well, curcumin might have a good effect in protecting your kidneys. This is something very interesting that I did not know that I would find in a study. I knew it because I study this and I go through all of my patients and how I help them, but I did not know that it would be plastered in a study. Like the video. If you need something natural to help those kidneys, to support those kidneys, look for Kidney Matrix from Vineland at vinelandvitamins.com. Let me see if I can find it here. Kidney Matrix, there you go. Kidney Matrix from Vineland at vinelandvitamins.com, or D-Berry and Uriescence from Vineland at vinelandvitamins.com. Like to the video. Let me see this question, and we'll keep on going. Okay. Monique is asking, is it safe to consume during pregnancy? I'd say nothing that you are doubtful of should be consumed during pregnancy, okay? Do not consume anything that is not a prenatal formula, or something that might alter your thyroid, or something that might increase your metabolic rate. Not a good idea, because you're forming a baby, and that baby needs to have a stable metabolic rate in order to function, in order to grow properly. All right, this is very, very crucial. A lot of people don't know what to take. If you don't know what to take, don't take it. Okay. Number 5, therapeutic potential of curcumin in eye diseases. Why? How does curcumin even help with eyesight? Well, there's a lot of investigation going on, but I can tell you that curcumin has the effect of improving circulation. And this is very crucial because your eyes have tiny arteries and veins that need a good circulatory process in order not to get damaged. High blood pressure will damage your eyes. A high amount of sugar in circulation will damage your eyes. Cholesterol will damage your eyes, and you name it. So curcumin can actually help improve or prevent this type of disorders. Like the video. Let me see this question, and we'll keep on going. If we don't have a question, don't forget that you can leave your comment later on. No problem. I can answer it later. That's fine with me. Okay. Last but not least, number 10. Number 10. What number even am I? Number 5? Okay. Doesn't matter. Curcumin can even help you with certain nerve disorders. And you're going to say, that may be a stretch. No, it's not. Therapeutic potential of curcumin for multiple sclerosis. And there's a formula
if you haven't looked at it at finelandvitamins.com, there's a formula talking about, let me see here. Let me see if I can find here. There's a formula that actually contains curcumin that is Neuromatrix. Neuromatrix contains curcumin because it actually does help with nerve damage, neuropathies, and many more. It improves circulation and helps your nerves improve its health because it more oxygen and more vitamins and ingredients are getting to those nerves to actually fix them, okay? So again, the current study summarizes the reported knowledge of therapeutic potential of curcumin against multiple sclerosis with future indications as a neuroprotective and neuropharmacological drug. Why not? It's natural, it's healthy, it won't damage your body. Not if you take it in excess, then that's a contraindication I want to talk about. If you take it too much, you might even damage your liver. So be careful with taking too much of natural substances that you do not know what they're going to do to your body. Like the video, I'll share tomorrow. We're going to see a new subject. Don't forget to chime in, and I'll see you tomorrow at the same time in the same channel. Like the video, and God bless you all. Take care.